Introducing SeedTime, the first home gardening app that lets you easily visualize and plan exactly when to do anything in your garden all year round based on your local area. We've taken everything about our first gardening calendars and made it a whole lot better. Now you can customize planting schedules to see exactly when to seed, prepare your beds, transplant, harvest, and more. You can move the plantings to fit the harvest around that vacation you were planning. You can add your own custom crops from scratch. You'll be able to view your whole year at a glance or compare and adjust planting schedules in an awesome timeline view. With our weekly automatic checklists, you can always feel on top of things. And what about that crazy idea of having a continual harvest? Our succession plantings feature has turned what used to be a mind-bending task into a simple click. And our proprietary winter gardening algorithm will automatically calculate your harvest delays over the winter and will even adjust for you if you're growing in a hoop house or undercover. If you ever get stuck, we've got you. Click on any task for detailed instruction and demonstration videos. You'll know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, all in one place, all at the tip of your fingers.
This is Gamma. It's a new category of the everyday jacket. It's a combination of a lightweight everyday jacket, technical activewear, and feature-packed travel jacket. It's infused with graphene, a hard-as-diamond wonder material, made of a one-atom-thick layer of super heat-conducting carbon atoms, designed to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, no matter what life throws at you. Experts around the world have documented the unique properties of graphene. It's also meticulously designed to be the ultimate travel jacket. It's lightweight and easy to pack, whether in your carry-on or worn from terminal to terminal. Our built-in heater makes sure that you will always be at your optimal temperature in all environments, from airplane to forest to mountain. Gamma's pockets let you securely carry everything you need without needing to rummage through your bag. Ditch the layers in bulk that will keep you warm in the coldest winters in seconds and make Gamma the only jacket you'll ever need for work and play. Going somewhere extra chilly? Gamma can give you that extra warmth and protection against the elements in seconds. Unbreakable and durable, Gamma will never let you down. Its multi-pocket function safely secures your phone, your wallet, your keys, your passport, your transport card, and your many other possessions. Stay stylish and snug by customizing your fit with our many adjustable drawstrings and Velcros. Gamma is 100% waterproof, so you can take a stroll, jog, or hike under the rain without getting wet. Even our zippers are water resistant, keep your pockets and valuables nice and dry. Our graphene-infused material is also naturally anti-odor, wind-resistant, UV-proof, and made with breathable and non-toxic materials. Gamma is a new category of jacket perfected for work, play, and travel, without compromising function or fashion. Gamma by Wear Graphene.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Meet UV Mask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC purification technology that protects you from 99.99% of all dust, pollution, and organisms. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patent-pending sterile vortex. The ultra-high-intensity UVC light instantly purifies and filters the air 10 times faster than you can breathe. The first layer of protection is a replaceable air filter that blocks 95% of all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as a N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation. While organisms smaller than 0.3 microns aren't efficiently blocked by any mask passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, bringing total filtration efficiency to 99.99%. As organisms pass through this sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, neutralizing their ability to reproduce or transmit, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also purified, protecting the people around you. UV Mask medical-grade ergonomic silicone inner layer is soft against the skin. Wear it securely and comfortably with its flexible strap styles. UV Mask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making talking and breathing easy, unlike traditional mask. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back UV Mask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
LOMI makes your life so much easier. LOMI can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping habit, and even biodegradable plastics. Yep, LOMI even works on peelless compostable phone cases. All at the push of a button. And as little as a few hours later, your waste has turned into the start of nutrient-rich compost, totally mess-free and odor-neutralized. You probably know us at Pila as the inventors of the world's first compostable phone case. Pila's customers have eliminated more than 41.8 million plastic bags worth of garbage in the last 5 years. To create LOMI, we've spent over 3 years completing more than 1,000 compost tests and endless hours of design and prototyping. LOMI isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best home composter, period. Food waste creates 330 billion pounds of garbage in North America each year. Packaging and plastic represent even more garbage and add that number up even higher. LOMI makes food waste a thing of the past and helps you cut up to half of your carbon footprint, all while making odor-neutralized, mess-free compost that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, send it to the green bin, or put it in the garbage. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to take any action on, actually helping the planet. We can make trash a thing of the past. Back our project today, and you'll help us bring LOMI to life.
It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.
Simply add water, plug it into an outlet, and voila, your personal calm zone is ready. Designed for those who love waterfalls and long to find a way to bring this experience indoors without spills and inconvenience. This cascading, multi-level waterfall is a visual and audio sensory experience that gives a sense of tranquility. It's powered by a durable, submersible, soundless motor, and the casing has been designed to prevent spillage. With the 2 light modes, changing the mood of your space is easy. In addition, we've used high-quality LEDs so you can adjust the intensity of the light. To round it off, we've built in a high-quality Bluetooth speaker to help you complete the mood. Play ambient sounds, your favorite music, listen to a new audiobook, or listen to the sounds of a nature playlist on Spotify, which we've curated. Halo Falls, bring the magic of nature indoors.
We could fight plastic waste with the power of a bottle. It's called REBO, and it's the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. 1 REBO drunk, 1 plastic bottle collected. As simple as that. REBO is a smart bottle equipped with a laser time-of-flight sensor and a Bluetooth transmitter that measures and sends the water you drink to the REBO app. The app captures the information and records it into the blockchain, transforming it into green credits that sponsor the collection of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are consumed worldwide. Every time you choose to refill your REBO bottle, you're choosing not to generate more plastic waste. But most importantly, every time you drink from REBO, we will collect 1 plastic bottle polluting our environment. The REBO app will show you the plastic bottles that are being collected thanks to you. And there is more to REBO. It tracks the water you drink and builds a customized hydration plan according to your lifestyle. The bottle reminds you to stay hydrated by lighting up. It's equipped with a unique one-hand push cap. and keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 because it's made of the best stainless steel that we could find. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are running out of time. If we don't act now, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. Today, you can help make REBO a reality and make a difference. If we join forces, we can and will win the battle against plastic waste. REBO, the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. Back us now. Join the revolution.